Verily, the one who recites the Quran beautifully, smoothly, and precisely, he will be in the company of the noble and obedient angels. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nada. I'm from Cairo and I am 23 years old. I am graduated from Ain Shams University, Faculty of Alsun for Languages and Translation, Turkish and English Department. Now I'm studying at the Institute of Islamic Studies. I worked as an English, Arabic, Quran and tajweed teacher for Arabs. But now I work as an Arabic, Quran and tajweed for non-Arabs. So, if you and your children wanted to learn to recite the Quran and learn tajweed and Arabic in a simple and interesting way, come let us begin. Now, I'm going to recite a part of the Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والطور وكتاب مسطور في رق منشور والبيت المعمور والسقف المرفوع والبحر المسجور إن عذاب ربك لواقع ما له من دافع يوم تمور السماء مورا وتسير الجبال سيرا